Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix League of Legends unknown player error. Let's begin. First, I want you to make sure that you have your League of Legends shortcut over here. I want you to right click on it. For example, this is League of Legends. We will set Steam as an example. Right click on it, go to Properties, and over this window, go to the Compatibility tab. Now, I want you to look for this section, run this program as the admin. Make sure this is checked and enabled. Usually, if not, it will cause some compatibility issues and will restrict League of Legends. Then once done, go hit on apply, okay, and then you're done. Now, the next method would be to do the same on Riot Client. Right click on it, properties, compatibility, run this program as the admin, click on apply, and then OK. You're done. The next method would be go to your start menu, type CMD, run as the admin. Then we just need to type a command ipconfig space slash flush DNS. This will flush your DNS servers. Hit enter. And once done, close this window. Now, the final method would be to open your Riot client. I have mine over here. Click over here, which is your profile icon. Left click, and then just click on sign out. For most users, this actually works for them. It's really simple, but it actually worked when they tried to log in back again in Riot. So do that. You can try to do a system restart just to make sure after applying all of these methods, and your League of Legends should no longer experience any problems or issues. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.